Okay, Giselle, why don't you narrate what's happening here?
My dad's opening the box, and it's kind of creepy because we heard them, and I'm really freaked out right now. Good, they're in styrofoam, so you're not going to have to freak out. Which is why you hear that.
Yeah, the clawing at the side of the styrofoam.
We're all going to wake up
I'm really scared.
Let me be free. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Here it comes.
Here's the instruction.
We're gonna
4 live lobsters.
live lobster.
Steam or boil for 13
Live
minutes.
lobster.
4 live
4 live
lobsters.
lobsters.
This strong lobster.
Live lobster.
We're gonna call one Lance, and then
Oh.
what's the Spanish guy? Contador.
Yeah.
Levi's Lifeheimer and Bruce.
Is this a,
The fourth famous
does
cyclist.
this get thrown away?
Sure.
Probably.
It's just
Oh my gosh!
Look at
Bruce, come and see Lobster.
Okay.
I'm gonna name one Bruce.
Bruce. Well, it's just going to be Bruce 1, Bruce 2, Bruce 3.
Oh my gosh, they're alive! This is really freaky. This is kind of
Okay.
scary. They're like clawing at each other.
Alright, so this is they're not going to be very happy about this, but
Their dinner. But this is their lot. This is their lot in
boy.
life. Oh my gosh, it's
Okay.
so alive. This is kind of freaky.
Put some seaweed in the pot for them.
No, you're not going in the pot. Don't you worry. Don't you worry.
Okay.
Oh, there's Lance.
So there's one. Bruce! Who's Bruce?
Bruce one.
Bruce? Okay. And then? There's Bruce. This one?
Bruce!
Brucey! Brucey!
And the next one is Brewster.
The Brewster. There we go, the Brewster.
Okay, show him to me, Paul. Show him to Oh,
Oh,
nice.
he's got barnacles.
He's got barnacles, he's the real thing.
Yeah.
Nice.
Did this come off?
He's long lived. And then
An old guy.
got Mogul Man.
Oh, Mogul Man. Okay, hang on.
Oh, he's
Hello.
dicey.
Oh my. Very scary.
Sorry about the trip,
Well,
guys.
they're all hanging all the way from Maine.
Okay, what do you...
They're really creepy.
Yeah?
They're like alive.
They're very alive.
Very much alive.
And one is like staring at me. And
Which one? Bruce? Brucey?
no,
The
Mogul Man.
Brewster?
Mogul Man is?
Mogul Man.
So the Brewster has barnacles on him.
Yeah, Brewster had a rough life.
Yeah, Brewster did have a rough life.
And now it's gonna end. Bye, Brewster.
Bye.